Hi friends, welcome back to our channel A&L Kitchens.
How are you all?
Actually we are uploading the videos, but unfortunately we are not getting any feedback and any comments from you. So please give like and a comment. If you give a like or comment, so we will upload good videos and because we need your support to upload good videos and to make new recipes. So today we are going to prepare egg masala curry. So let's see the process and how she is going to prepare. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, like it, comment
comment
it. Don't forget to share your family and friends. Please subscribe our channel
and click the bell icon
to get our new recipe notifications to you. Thank you.